Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Discord Nitro code. You can also do the same method in your laptop. So as you can see here, just go ahead into your settings and then scroll all the way down until you find the Nitro gifting. So in here, you should probably see a code right here, and or if you bought it from somewhere else and you have a code and you want to copy it, then you want to go to discordapp.com. I will be showing it to you using my laptop. There you go. So what you need to do is go to the settings on the upper left corner and then go to gift inventory. So this is where you can redeem your code, and then just tap submit once you've typed in your code in here. And that's it guys, that's how to redeem Discord Nitro code. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.